up.
Open your gift.
Go now. What is it?
Omega.
You got rice, your favorite kind. It's your favorite kind of rice. Open it up. Let's see all the rice inside.
Okay.
I want some rice.
Maybe it's money instead.
Okay, let him open it up, Ty.
Hold on, we're busy.
Oh, you didn't get rice.
It's rice. What is that?
Watch out for Alexander. No, just grab the box.
Dump it out. Dump it out.
Let your brother. What is it?
Nails.
Awesome. Nails and rice.
What's on the paper?
What's on the paper? Read the paper. Alexander, it's your brother's.
What is it?
What does it say?
Look it. Look.
What's
Look
on the
at-
paper?
What is it?
Look at the sheet.
Ethan, get
What is that?
A what?
What is it?
bite.
Yes.
Why don't you open the front door? Open the front door.
You see that?
Let's see it.
Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Oh, it's so cool, Ethan. Oh, is that Ethan or Elsa?
Yes, it's Ethan.
Oh my god. Get on it. Oh my god. We gotta get a picture.
Alexander.
Ethan, where'd you get that bite?
At the store.
You got
At the trick store.
At the what? Which
At the trick store.
So sad.
Oh my
You were
gosh.
sad about the rice.
Oh my
Ty,
gosh.
move
out of the way. Ty, look at this. We need
Isaac, no! Don't try it.
It's because it's got this thing in it. Well, I gotta raise some stuff to fit it.
Oh my gosh, Ethan.
Isaac!
Ethan, you like it?
What do you say?
What do you say to Mama and Daddy? Give them a hug and kiss. Give them a hug and kiss.
You're welcome.
Gosh.
You like it?
Did you think it was rice?
Yeah, you were all upset. I got rice.
Oh my gosh. Let's not stop.